There's something that you should know about the present situation of the internet world in this modern age. When anything can be done with a single click of a button, thanks to the continued advancement of technology. Given the constant rise of more and more possibilities made possible by technology, you can do it all with a single click and a single tap on your screen. I'd like to introduce you to a fresh new money-making strategy in which all you have to do is use your voice and a few snaps of your fingers to get money. Keep in mind that you'll just be using your voice box to read certain things out and then submit them to clients. Simply by doing so, you will be able to earn money quickly, legally, and effectively. Now, with a method as good as this, you may wonder how much money you will need to invest in it. Well, the only thing that you will need is your voice box. And if you have one, which you most definitely do, you are all set for this premier money-making method online. You will not have to pay any money for investments or payments of any type, since this technique is completely free. Furthermore, you may use this method from anywhere on the globe because it is widely available to all people globally, and the fun does not end there. Because you can generate money with this strategy even if you're a total newbie, there's no need to be concerned about lacking the necessary skills and experience. Now, what you need to do in order to use this strategy and make money online? It's easy. All you have to do is watch this video from beginning to end, making sure not to skip any parts so that you don't miss a single detail that will surely affect your success with this method. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride because I'm about to take you on a trip to make money online. But before we start, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Given the above, I'm sure you're eager to get your hands on this approach. But before I reveal the website, allow me to give you a short glance at your income potentials, which you can see right here. Your payout rate will vary depending on the amount of words you read and the length of the project. For example, with the script including only 300 words or fewer, you may easily get paid anywhere from $100 to $249 by allotting no more than 2 minutes. To give you an idea, 2 minutes pass like a wind in the sea when you think about it. 2 minutes fly by since it's not only enough time to brew you a cup of coffee. Given that knowledge, this website has so much more potential as the word counts rise. As you read more words, your pay rises. If you read a script with 4,500 to 6,000 words, you can get paid up to over thousands of dollars. And if the word count goes beyond that, you can obtain so much more money beyond the categories offered. So everything is just so enticing right now. Good for you that you stumbled across this video so that you'll be equipped with the information as to how to pull this entire thing off overall. Now without further ado, let's get right into the one and only website for this video, which is called Voices.com. Just type that in your search bar and hit enter. Once you are in their homepage, you are immediately greeted with this text saying that they are the #1 marketplace for voiceover and audio production. Voices.com hires professional voice actors, audio producers, musicians, or translators for clients' creative projects. When you scroll down, you can find that creative teams, marketers, producers, and instructors from the world's biggest brands and agencies trust Voices with their projects as shown right here on their homepage. Just below that, you can see these gigantic brands collaborating with Voices for their projects, and these companies are surely not a joke. They include Microsoft, the History Channel, Shopify, Discovery Channel, GoDaddy, Los Angeles Times, Cisco, and Hulu. With these massive companies choosing to avail Voices, talents, and services, you're fundamentally in good hands since this only proves that Voices is a highly trusted website. This further implies that you essentially have no reason to worry about anything as they are a website rich in integrity, transparency, and legitimacy. With Voices.com, you can receive your earnings via several payment channels, and one of which is PayPal, which is undoubtedly the most popular payment method in the online money-making scene. They are also available for other payment options such as bank transfers and so much more. At this point, you probably can't wait to give this website a go. And you're in luck because that's what we're going to do next. Wait, before we sign up, let's first find out how this entire thing works in order to abolish any kinds of misunderstandings, mishaps, and confusions in order to make the entire video smooth and steady. On the right portion of the homepage, I want you to click on this section right here, which says how it works. Once you've clicked on that, you'll be redirected to this page where you can now discover the website's mechanism and overall process as shown right here. There's going to be a total of 4 simple steps for you to accomplish in working your way to earn money with this website. The first thing that you're going to have to do is to create a profile and upload samples. Creating a Voices profile is always free and allows you to showcase all the voiceover, audio production, music, and translation skills that you can offer. Uploading samples of your best work allows you to show up in client searches and show them what you're capable of. After finishing this step, the next thing that you'll do is to reply to jobs, receive private invitations from clients who find your profile while searching the Voices marketplace. Each job invite comes with a description of what the client wants and their budget. Submit your response with a custom or existing sample, a brief proposal, and your code, all in a matter of minutes. Now for the third step, it gets a whole lot easier as you are now hired. And this is where you do your actual work. Use their purpose-built and intuitive platform to manage all aspects of the project, including reviewing and agreeing to product details, before you start chatting directly with the client via private messaging, managing revisions, and uploading files. And finally, on the last step, which is simply just to get paid, and mind you, you are certainly going to receive your money 100%. Never chase down payment again with SurePay, their free payment protection service while you work. Your pay is held safely by Voices and released automatically to you via PayPal once the work is done, and guess what? They even pay the PayPal fees for you, so everything is just literally handed to you on a silver platter. Now let's rewind a little bit. Remember how I told you that you're just going to use your voice box in order to earn money? Well, that's certain for sure. But what I want you to know is that doing voiceover is just the tip of the iceberg. Voices.com offers so many more job opportunities to cater to a wide array of skills possessed by a huge variety of freelancers worldwide. Aside from voiceover jobs, there's also audio production, translation, and music. With these categories, you can even discover subcategories that you can freely explore in order to find the perfect job for you. But let me tell you something. Doing voiceover is undoubtedly the easiest to perform among these tasks, so I want you to focus on that. But hey, I'm not limiting you to anything, so feel free to explore some more. Before we get to continue, make sure to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell. Now let's get back to the video. And now what you've all been waiting for? Let's proceed into signing up for an account for free. I want you to go back to the homepage and locate the sign up button. Once you're in the homepage, I want you to shift your attention to the most upper right corner of the page and click this blue button right here, which says Sign Up. After doing so, you will be taken to this page where you can begin your registration. First, they're going to ask what you are looking for, and I told you we are going to work as freelancers on this website, so the obvious choice for this question is the one that says Find Work as a Talent. So go ahead and click on that. Next, you will now put your personal basic information in this other page, such as your full name, your email address, your password, and after filling in these fields, simply tick this box right here in order to signify that you agree to the website's terms of service and privacy policy. Once you've completed everything, all you have to do now is to click on the Continue button right here, and you're good to go. By the way, you can opt to go to a shorter route by signing up for an account with Google or Apple. That way, it is so much easier. So just choose what is convenient for you. Now that you have your account, you will now have access to your dashboard where you can discover tons of different industries that may house your creative talent. You can choose to go with advertising, animation, broadcasting, consumer brands, education, and many more industries from this huge stack. Now let me save you the trouble in choosing what industry is the most ideal to work in, so you won't waste a single second. So among this huge assortment of industry categories, I want you to put all your attention and efforts into the top 3 paying categories, mainly advertising, education, and gaming. Trust me, I've done plenty of research and I found that these 3 industries offer the best payout, so that's the little secret that I want to share with all of you. And on top of that, the tasks for these categories are so much easier, so you won't even need to work hard and exhaust yourself. So let's have an example. Let's say you clicked on advertising. You will then find tons of different voiceover talents from all corners of the world with much diversity going on, manifested by varying genders, age groups, and languages spoken. This website caters to all groups of people, so this is absolutely an ulcer with these tons of various listings posted. Let me give you a little tip. You should expand your horizons and look for jobs that are good for longer minutes, maybe 30 minutes and beyond. You can do this by heading on the jobs section to locate the available jobs that you can do with corresponding pay rates indicated in the listings. Once you've chosen a project, everything will then follow smoothly as you just need to read the script, record it in any of your devices, submit to your client, and as easy as that, you can get paid with real money online. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button down below and notification bell to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone and see you in our next video.